Hi everybody, so I'm going to show you sandboxing. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a sandboxing page called Sandboxing. And this is where I'm just going to mess around. So one of the first things that you'll want to do is go to your insert, because this allows you to, pull stuff over, see what happens. You'll notice that when you click on things, you'll see bounding boxes. You see a plus. You can add something. I'm going to upload something right now. Oh, I'm going to upload the first thing I can get to. Maybe I'll see what else I can upload. Oh, I can do a calendar. That's cool. Oh, I have all these calendars from other people. Maybe I won't do a calendar. Maybe I'll do a map. Yeah, I'll do a map. So let's do Brussels. There's Brussels. So there's a map of Brussels. And maybe I'll want to say one of my best friends lives here. Oh, can't. And then I'm just noticing, oh, there's a smaller text here, so I might just do a little bit of garbly garble. And then I might go check out something else. I might wonder, okay, what's this image carousel about? And I click it, image carousel, upload, select image, Google image search, photos. Oh, I have some photos I can add. These are just random photos. And I hit the insert button. Oh, gotta move this. Insert. And then, can't quite see it. So you know what? I'm gonna view published site, see if that changes. Oh, missed it. I'm gonna publish it. Publish. Oh, gotta go to view. There's my view. And then I can see, oh, okay, that's what a carousel does. I can flip through different images. Okay, interesting, right? So sandboxing is just a time for you to play. If I was to say, if you're totally new to Google Sites, it's really important that you just try to wreck it, because you can always make a new one. But click on everything. Things that you'll notice is that when you hover, things happen. So for example, I can duplicate, I can add emphasis. There's this bounding box thing that happens. I can click and drag. You'll want to see what you can do here. Notice that there's other like mini bounding boxes. I can play around. That's what you want to do. Spend about 5 minutes. Once you're done with your sandboxing of 5 minutes, I want you to take a picture and put it on your work work document. If you had a chance to go through all the get starting, you would have done that in the get starting. I'm going to show you how that looks like right now. You would call it your first name. So I'm Ann Dolman. What did I call it here? Let's just make sure I do it right. In the getting started, I'd ask you to call it work journal. So you're going to call it your work journal. And you're supposed to put the date, November 26, 2020. And then I want you to insert the screenshot that you just took of your website. There's my screenshot. And you can resize it. This is the screenshot from my sandboxing page. And then maybe tell me one thing that you learned. I learned how to move the bounding boxes. Okay, good? Yeah, good. Okay, perfect. You actually should also have another screenshot here if you got through the directions. But that might be something you need to go back to depending on how far you got. Okay, that's sandboxing.